Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angela here. What it do? And today you guys, I have another unbagging. So you want to see what I got? Then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so I went to the outlet, of course. And y'all, when I saw my good sis Viv, I'll link her down below. Check her out, y'all. Y'all haven't seen her channel. It's Amazeballs. Anyway, when I saw my good sis Viv show this bag, I was like, yes, ma'am, I wasn't in a position to go out at the time. I don't think. No. So it wasn't online. It didn't come online until today. It went on, y'all, it went on sale. I'm glad I waited. Get you one of these, sis. Get you one of these. This is because of my good sis Vivian. Like, I went and got y'all this. Ladies and gentlemen, her. Oh my goodness, sis. Y'all, look at y'all. Look at her. This is the City Tote in brown redwood. It's giving peanut butter. I don't have a City Tote in this colorway at all. Not even the signature colorway. I don't have it. So this you need. So when I saw it, it was $179. It went down to $129, which we all knew it would go down anyway. Get into it, y'all. Do I need another City Tote? No. But this, I did not have this colorway, so I was justified. I do not have this colorway, y'all, and this is sick. Look, get into it. Like, y'all. Oh my! I went just rest, all because of our good sis Vivian. Like, this is the color on the inside, burgundy. It's burgundy on the inside. I did not buy any accessories to go with this, primarily because, y'all, the wallets and everything that I saw, they were the long wallets, and y'all know I don't. Long wallets is not me. I'm more of a card wallet or small, thin, compact type of person, and I didn't see any at my store today, and I wasn't trying to get too caught up. I knew what I was going for. I went, I left. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all, are y'all getting one of these? Like, oh my God. This is the quickest unbagging ever. I am a carry on the left side type of person, but I can't at the moment. But y'all, this is so cute. Like, oh my goodness, I love it. I love this. Alright, sis, that's the end of this video. I told y'all this is going to be a really quick unbagging. Like, this is so gorgeous. I had to show you all this. Like, get into it. This was all because of my good sis Vivian, but this is a need. I don't have this colorway. This peanut butter is everything. This redwood, but it's giving peanut butter to me. This is so good for the fall and the winter. You just see this with your cream colored coat, or your camel colored coat, or trench, or whatever. Yes, sis, yes. This is everything. This is the bee's knees. So, alright, you all, that concludes this really quick video. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.